Hello everyone, hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Thanks for visiting my channel. So this is a new video about ad limit. So I'm getting a lot of inquiries from a lot of people around the world that their AdSense account has been limited and there is no sign of it getting away. So today I'm going to show you actually why it happens and how you can prevent getting an ad limit in your AdSense account. So for example, I'm using one of our client's website. It's called dailysuperheroes.com. So this website has AdSense enabled, right? Now let's understand that why the ad limit happens. So let's say a user come to your website and he click on this ad. I'm just gonna click new button. So I will be taken to the advertisers website, right? So this registered as a click to the AdSense account. Now the problem is when the user click on the ad and they're going to the new advertisers website, they can come back and they can click randomly to other ads. For Google, it's more like an invalid click. So what Google is determining is that you paid some people to come to your website and then click so that you can make money, and this has very bad consequences. Google can actually ban your account after 2-3 warnings or something. So make sure that you take this situation as an utmost sincerity, because if Google AdSense is your one of the ways for making money online, and I'm 100% giving you a guarantee, please do not lose your or get banned in AdSense, because if you get banned in AdSense, what's gonna happen is that you cannot open another account. All right. So the rule of thumb for getting an invalid click is that the user clicking on these kind of ads more than once, 2 times, or 3 times. Now, if you get an ad limit in your AdSense account, there just wait. Within 4 to 5 weeks, Google will review your traffic if you're doing arbitrage from Facebook or Tumblr or something, and hopefully that will remove the ad limit. Hopefully. So there is no guarantee on that. But what you can do is you can actually protect your account from getting ad limit on the first place. So we have developed a plugin. It's called AdSense Protector. And what this plugin does is that, let me show you the live demonstration of this plugin, okay? So let's say this is a WordPress plugin and you download this to this website. So this is one of my clients' website. So what I'm gonna do is that, as you can see, at advertisement, and then there is an ad, and you see here AdSense Protector, which linking back to our plugin. So this website is using our plugin. So if I click on this ad, and I'm gonna go to the advertisers website instantly. I just went there. Okay, now see the magic. Let's see the magic, guys. I'm gonna go back once more. Boom. You see, there was an ad here, but it's empty. This is the power of AdSense Protector, that we have built our plugin. So in this way, there is a 0% chance that your account will get ad limit, because the user will not find any ad for them to click. They can see the ad in other places. For example, this one, because this one is not registered as a click. So every placement has their own way for registering ad click. In this way, Google will understand that all the clicks that you're getting in your website are valid and to the point. And by the way, let's say there's a lot of users coming from India, Pakistan, or Bangladesh, right? And they're very spammy. What you can do is you can use our country blocking system. We actually have a really good system here, which is called country blocking system. So you can actually block the country and pretty much not let the people from that country see your ad. So this is very good if you have an organic if you have an organic website which is getting a traffic from a lot of countries. So you want the people from the United States to see the AdSense ad, but not the Indian people or Bangladeshi people. So you can just block them from seeing your AdSense ads. By the way, they can still come to your website, see the content, so you'll get the page views, and your SEO ranking will be up, but they're just not gonna see the AdSense account or anything, AdSense ad or anything. So this is pretty much it. I just wanna show you a live demonstration of what our plugin does. By the way, the cost is monthly. We have 3 packages. The monthly is $20 a month. It's that's like what, 80 cents a day. 6 months you'll get $120, and then yearly is $200. So it's extremely cheap, and we have a lots of customer reviews. A lot of big companies like NDTV, Z News, Orlando Sentinel, Mashable, Orlando 6. All of these news websites are using our plugin. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for listening to me. I hope to see you guys again soon. Bye.